What is that, Gideon?
Kuya. Mo.
Sino naman yan? Who's that?
It's Lola.
Lola? Wow! So, bait naman ni Kuya Gideon. Drawing niya pa si Lola. How about Tita Litlit? Can you draw? Aba, that's Tita Litlit. Ba't ang liit naman ni Tita Litlit?
Look at this.
Wow, bravo! How about Tito Monmon? Nge. Alita mo ni Tito Monmon. Okay. Sige. Gideon? Who's this, Gideon? Who's this?
Kuya.
This?
Mama.
This?
Tayo.
This?
Kuya.
This?
Papa.
This?
Talete.
This?
Tito mo.
Dobe Lola. Dobe Lola. Aba, yan si Lola. Bravo naman ni Kuya Gideon. Bravo! Bravo! Clap si Kuya, clap, clap! Yehey! Wow! Yan pala ang ginawa ni Kuya Gideon. What is that, Gideon? Planet? Planet ano? Planet? Earth. Good job!